This time I want to say a few words about uncountable nouns and what that actually means. Not all nouns in different languages have both a singular and a plural form. Some nouns might have just a singular and others just a plural form. And in English, there are several nouns that are not really used with a plural ending or in a plural form. Some such examples are advice, furniture, homework, and another category are words denoting substances or abstract nouns such as anger, honey, wine, gold, tea. And some nouns only have a plural form and no singular form. Some English examples are clothes, oats, stairs. Or customs, border control, manners, the way we behave, arms, drugs. Of course, there is a singular arm and singular drug, but not with the same meaning. And some plural forms denote one single item or may denote one single item, such as binoculars, scissors, glasses, trousers, jeans. And some other nouns don't have a plural ending, but they still denote many items, objects, persons, such as people, police, cattle, clergy. And some nouns have both a singular and a plural, but already the singular form denotes several objects, items, members of some kind of a group, such as committee, crew, family, team, and many others. So, and this kind of phenomena are, some of these phenomena are even more common in Somali than in English. And it might be confusing. What words are actually plural? And in grammar, then, it's important to make a very clear distinction between the form of a word and the meaning of the word. And when we talk about plural, we are talking about a form that has a plural ending. And some singular forms then denote several items, objects, persons. So we may have a singular form that denotes many items. And we have also some plural forms that denote a single item or a single object. There are several instances in both English and Somali where the grammatical form, singular or plural, does not really agree with the meaning of the word. And there are several different types or groups of such nouns, and much more could be said about each of these groups. There are these words denoting substances such as milk, tea, sugar. There are some words that have general number. They have the one form that may be used both to denote a single object and to denote many objects. Then there are collective nouns that have a singular form but denote many objects or persons. And there are group nouns that have both a singular and a plural form, but already the singular denotes many objects or persons. There is also something called generic singular form that can be used in some contexts to denote many or rather all objects of this particular kind. So an example like the spider has 8 legs really says something about all spiders, not one particular spider. And then we have some nouns that could be called defective. They have a plural form and they denote many objects, but they don't have a singular form, so we can't use that word to say something about one object. If we want to talk about one object, we have to use another word, and often that means that we need to be more specific. If we want to say something about one piece of clothes, we usually say something like a sock or a t-shirt or a skirt or something like that. So this is a very interesting and a bit complicated topic that we will need to come back to repeatedly and with more Somali data.